If your Apple ID is grayed out on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now before we start, you will need the password of the parental controls on your iPhone. After you get the password of the parental controls, then just go to settings, and under settings just scroll down and tap on screen time. From here just tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now if content and privacy restrictions is enabled on your iPhone, then just scroll down and tap on accounts. Now if it is on don't allow, just select allow, and after that just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now as you can see, our issue has been fixed. But if your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to screen time and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now from here just disable content and privacy restrictions. And after you do that, you will disable all the parental control settings on your iPhone. After you have disabled content and privacy restrictions, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And after you do that, you will fix the Apple ID grayed out issue on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.